Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our GC4U employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your GC4U employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for GC4U employee login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option which says GC login, and now in the left side of your screen you can find this username and password. So you just have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, now you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your GC4U employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.